almost dropped the camera. Trying to set up my tripod here and it almost fell down. Okay, so today I am doing another pack with me video and try to figure out my outfits for next weekend. I am going to Solvang, California for the Memorial Day weekend, and I'm pretty excited because this trip is going to be with my 2 dogs and my husband. I try to go on a trip every year with the 2 dogs, and last year my husband was really busy with work that we weren't able to take a trip as a family, but this year we're able to make it happen, so I'm really happy. We typically go to San Diego, but for some reason, like, all the hotels in San Diego, I use my points, my hotel, like my credit card points to book hotels, and nothing was available. I mean, there was hotels available in San Diego, but I couldn't use any of my points or my free nights, which I thought was really weird. What's going on with that Marriott? I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I was a little bit bummed about that, but then I kept searching, and then Solvang came up, found the perfect hotel right in the middle of Solvang. Now, Krista and I have been to Solvang. I think it's been like 5 years now. It's before I even had my 2 dogs, I believe, because we didn't even take the dogs then. But we went, I believe, during Thanksgiving. So it was cold and it was still beautiful and fun. But now, you know, I'm going and it's going to be nice spring weather. I checked the weather. It's going to be in the 70s, the low 70s. And then at night, it looks like it's going to be like in the high 50s, low 60s. So it's going to be really pleasant weather. Fingers crossed it stays that way because I still have another week. So I'm pretty excited to pick out my spring outfits. So we're going to go in my closet and try to see, like, you know, what I want to wear. We leave Friday, we come back Monday. 3 nights, 4 days. So I'm going to pack outfits for probably Friday and Sunday. I mean, Friday and Monday, I'll probably kind of wear the same outfits because it's just us driving back or going to Solvang. So I just want to wear something super comfy. Also, Solvang is known for their wine tasting. And it's very dog friendly there, pet friendly. So even my dogs could come with us to these wine tastings. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So anyways, let's go to my closet and pick out some outfits. Okay, so my closet is inside my bathroom. So I have to like go through my bathroom and get to my closet. My closet's super tiny. I think I already have like a couple of ideas in mind of what I want to wear. And the first thing I always tend to grab when I'm planning a trip that's somewhere warm. This is a little bit, it shows quite a bit of skin, is this tank top here. This is from Solvang. It's really, really cute crocheting. It's not adjustable though, so just be warned if you need straps that are adjustable. This might not be like a good top for you, but I just love how simple it is, yet it's got really great details, so it makes any mini outfit look so elevated and adorable. And last time when I wore this to San Diego, when we went to Coronado Island, I wore this with a pair of shorts, but this time I think I'm gonna wear them with some jeans. So I'm gonna put this aside. And another top I'm going to grab also from Solvang. This I bought recently. It's so simple, yet the details aren't simple, if you know what I mean. And it's got really great weight to it. It's not thin. It's got a lot of structure to it, even though it's a top that's pretty simple. Looking forward to wearing this top, probably also with a pair of jeans. Friday and Monday are like the travel days where we'll be driving a lot, so I want to wear something more comfortable. I could wear... I mean, dresses are always like pretty comfy when I'm driving. Maybe this linen dress. You know, I kind of want to wear these striped linen pants, but pants, like, if they don't have any stretch to them, they're not really comfy on long drives. So that's the like thing, is like these don't have any stretch. They're like fitted exactly. There's no like wiggle room. So I don't know if it's going to be comfy enough for driving. So maybe this is a no. Maybe put this back. But I do like these pants. I do have this dress. So this dress I wore to San Diego last year. Oh, was it San Diego? No, Oceanside. This is a really comfy dress. So maybe this. Maybe I'll wear this. And yeah, so that's it. Oh, I know. So I need a light cardigan because it will get a little bit chilly probably at night. So this is something new I haven't worn yet. It is a short sleeve cashmere cardigan. I believe it's cashmere, 100% cashmere. I mean, it is really nice and soft. So I can throw this on over anything I'm wearing or that I'm bringing. So maybe I'll pack this. But this is a short sleeve cardigan. I might need like a long sleeve one. My go-to for long sleeve cardigan is always this. This goes on like pretty much all my trips: Japan, San Diego, when I go to Florida, when I went to North Carolina. Yeah, I think I've had this for like 3+ years now, like at least 3 years for sure. So the pants, so my jeans. My favorite brand for jeans these days, or I want to say the past few years, is J. Crew. They have the right height, I mean, the right rise for me, and they have the right amount of stretch. It's just, and the length is perfect. They usually have on their site 3 different lengths, like short, regular, and long. And I usually go with the long and then I get them tailored. Or sometimes even the regular is pretty long and I don't have to get them tailored. But I just love how they have a little bit of stretch in them to make them comfortable, because whenever I eat or it's that time of the month, I get a little bit bloated and I need a little bit of stretch in the waist, and the J. Crew jeans always pull through for me. So I think I might wear these ones. These are really cute. They have like these little pockets here. Just adds a little bit of detail to the denim. And also, like, I like the cuff on the bottom here. And I also have these in a darker color for winter that I wear in the winter. But these are like my summer version of the exact same jeans. Denim Forum. This is the Arlo High Rise from Aritza. It's a little bit darker than what I would like it to be. I kind of want a lighter color, but since these are light, maybe I'll go with a little bit darker pair. Just because it's, spring, it's, almost summer, or, it's like I just like wearing lighter colors this time of year. I think that's it. I think I'm going to try these. So let me take these back to my room in front of the big mirror so I can see how it all checks out. I forgot to grab this. So because I'm wearing like lighter color tops, I need a nude color bra. So went to go grab a nude color bra, and also the tank top that I'm wearing, or that I want to wear. I can't wear a bra because it'll show the straps. I am going to wear my trusted Gatherall bra. This works, like it doesn't fall off. It's for those tops where I can't wear a bra. This is what I wear. This is the first outfit. So I kind of need to tuck this in a little bit more. I don't like how it kind of sticks out. These are the J. Crew jeans. See how they have like a nice stretch to them? I need that stretch because I can't wear jeans anymore that have no stretch. They have to have stretch in them, but I don't want too much stretch because they start looking a little bit cheap and kind of like jeggings, in which I don't like that look. So it's like I kind of want denim that looks like 100% denim, like cotton, but it's not. It's got like probably like 98% cotton and 2% stretch. That's what I like, and usually J. Crew is my go-to because that's what they usually have, and that's what I like. And this is the Suzanne top, and I do have on the nude bra now, so you can't see the bra underneath. This is how the jeans look. I haven't decided on the shoes yet. I'll probably wear sandals. Still debating on what shoes or what footwear to wear, but I think this is a yes. Oh, also, I have a new purse from Solvang, so let me grab that because the purse is so cute and I can't wait to use it. It's something that I've never bought a purse like this, so it's very, I want to say it's very summer and spring. This is the purse. Look how cute it is. It's not something I would typically buy just because I tend to buy bags that don't have a lot of patterns or designs on it. So this is definitely something different from what I usually get, but I just thought it was so cute. I love the details of the flowers, and I've been so happy with all my purchases from Solvang. They don't sponsor me. I buy all their products. I just love them. And so I'm like, what, finally, maybe I should just try their purse. And I think it's so cute. I also like that I can wear this over my shoulder. I was really hesitant to buy this at first because they also have other like simple ones without the floral pattern, but I was like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna be a little bit different from what I usually get, and I'm so glad I did it because I think it's adorable and I can't wait to use this cute purse. Okay, so I'm gonna put on that tank top. So I need to switch my bra, and this is what the Gather All bra looks like. So let me put these on. At first I was thinking like, oh, I can wear the same jeans and just change out the top, but I don't know. I don't know if I like these jeans with this top. I feel like there's a lot of buttons here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of buttons here, and I don't know if I want then all these buttons showing. It just like, it's a little bit too busy for me. So I don't think it looks bad. I'm not in love with it. So this is why I want to try the other pair of jeans to see if that looks better. Okay, so here's the top with the other jeans. I don't know, now that I'm looking at it, maybe the other jeans are better. I can't really decide, but these are the Aritzia jeans. Super comfy. They're not as high-waisted as the J. Crew ones, but comfort-wise, they're very comfortable, just like the J. Crew ones. They've got a little bit of stretch in them. I do like the contrast of the like very light color, and this is a lot darker than the other jeans. And I don't know, I can't decide. Let me get the purse. I like the purse with it because it really makes the purse pop against this dark color. I gotta think about it. It also depends on what shoes I decide. So if I wear like sandals or shoes that I kind of want to show off, I would want to wear these pants that are cropped, because when I wear the longer pants, you can't really see my shoes very much. So that's something I gotta think about. Oh, I'm also wondering, like, should I wear like a neck scarf with this? Maybe? Let me see which neck scarves I've got. On my drawer here, I've got these neck scarves here. I don't know if any of them would really match this top. Maybe this one. This is a Coach scarf with like a floral pattern to it. Maybe red. I don't know, that one's like a little bit too light. Maybe. Okay, let me try these. I don't know. I don't think this scarf really matches. Because this scarf doesn't even look good, I don't even know if that's even worth trying on the other ones, but let me just try one light one and see if I like it. Okay, here's the lighter scarf, and I don't like the look. There's something about it that it's just not, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't like the way it looks. So I think I'm just going to scratch the whole scarf idea. So if it gets cold, if I want to cover up a little bit, here is the short sleeve cardigan. I think it looks okay. Doesn't look bad. I do like it more buttoned up though. Here's the long sleeve cardigan. I think I kind of like this better with this top. They're both Quince cardigans, and they both are super soft, cashmere, lightweight. So they're, you can toss them in that, like the purse, and it won't make your purse like super heavy. I'm liking this look, and no scarf, and I'll probably just wear a bunch of like necklaces. So this is the Aritzia linen dress. I love this dress. It's so comfortable. It doesn't dig in on the waist, so this is definitely what I probably will want to wear when we're driving. And just like, I like how it really like cinches in the waist, and then it kind of flows out where the hips are, so it makes your waist look tiny, which I love. The length is perfect. It's also quite heavy, so it's not see-through at all. And like I said, I wore this like so many times last year, but I'm still in love with it. I think I'm gonna wear this, and I think it'll look so cute with the purse. How cute. Okay, yeah, and I don't know if you can tell on the back stretch here, it gives you some room so it can expand. Still haven't decided on the shoes, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this. So here's the other dress that I grabbed. See how see-through it is? So I'm gonna have to wear some black shorts under this or leggings. Will it match with this bag? I think it does. You're probably like, whoa, you did not show us this in the closet. But I don't know why, like last minute, I was just like, oh, what if I wear that hat that I really like? And maybe it's too much black. Like, I'm so into like, I love an all black look, but every time I put it on, I'm just like, does it look like I'm going to a funeral? Like, is it too dark? Does it look like I'm like a very sad or mean person if I'm wearing all black in like, a sunny, like beautiful area? Although I like this look, it probably won't match with this purse, but maybe it's too much black. But I do love an all black outfit. Should probably scratch this, but thought I would try it just to see. I know when I was in the closet, I said that, I don't want to wear these because they have no stretch in them, but I like them a lot. And I don't know, maybe I will pack these. Maybe I'll pack an extra outfit, and if I change my mind when I'm there. I mean, I guess I could wear it in the car. I don't know. I'll probably regret it if I wear it in the car, because this has no stretch at all, and it's already like fitted. Like there's really no room. Like, yeah, I don't know if you can see, there's like no room for a stretch. Like, so if I eat a lot of dessert or a big meal, it's going to feel really tight. And I don't know if I want that. What should I do? What should I do? Should I wear it? I'm still deciding if I should pack this or wear it or just forget about it. I'm gonna start packing now. Since this is a, just like a long weekend trip, it's gonna take a carry-on, and it is like a mini road trip. So I can, if I happen to pack a little bit too much, it's not a big deal because we'll be driving, but I'm sure I can fit everything into a carry-on. This is my makeup kit. This is what I use in the morning when I get ready. I've had this makeup bag for over 10 years for sure. This has been all around the world with me. I can either take this with me because, I am going to be driving, or, obviously I probably won't be using all of this stuff. So I could transfer it to my other Muji bag, which is a travel. This is more of like a travel size because that big bag won't fit in that carry-on. I might put my makeup in here, just the ones I think, the products that I know that I'm going to probably be using. This is so convenient because I rewear my lashes because I don't put mascara on them. And so like I have, I'll put my lashes on here, and every night after I'm done wearing them, I'll stick them back in here. And then on the bottom here, I'll have my eyelash glue. I have the tweezers for my eyelashes. All my little things I put in here, and it's just like this really handy eyelash kit. Now that I've got my makeup packed, I decided to put it in the smaller makeup bag. So now let me just grab my jewelry. This is my jewelry travel case, and then I'm just gonna pick out the jewelry that I'm gonna wear. I'll grab a couple of these things, and I'm already wearing the necklaces and earrings I want to wear. Oh yeah, this is something I bought in Japan. This is so cute. It's a little jewelry case. So basically, say I'm wearing jewelry and for whatever reason, I want to take it off where I am, and I can just stick it back in my purse. So this is so cute. Actually, I wonder if I should just take this on the trip instead of that big one. Let me think about it. There's too much jewelry I want to bring with me, so it's not going to fit in that little case. But I'm going to take all of these necklaces, the earrings I'm wearing, some extra earrings, also some bracelets. Well, this is a watch, but I wear it as a bracelet now because it doesn't work anymore. Another necklace, another earring. So yeah, so I'm going to stick all these in my little travel jewelry case. Okay, we're done, Cappy. Are you excited? I'm excited. Oh, he's leaving. Got my outfits picked out. I've everything fit in my little suitcase here. I've got my new purse I'm going to take with me. And yes, this is Zoe's travel bag. Zoe and Captain's. I got their travel stuff ready. Yeah, we're excited. I haven't been on a trip with them. This is like, yeah, we didn't get to the last year together. So yeah, I'm really excited to check out Solvang. It's so dog friendly there. The hotel we're going to looks beautiful, and I'm just really excited about this trip. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.